What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing no unboxings, no long-term reviews, and absolutely none of that boring, old let's see what's inside the box drama. Instead, we are talking about a smartphone that hasn't even hit the market yet, but its leaked specs are already sending absolute shockwaves through the tech world. People are literally losing their minds. And let me tell you up front, this is not your average, minor, incremental upgrade. This is the Sony Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate. It's the kind of phone that makes you look at it and ask, wait, is this pure insanity, or absolute engineering genius? So, buckle up, gear up, let's dive straight in. The design. First up, let's talk design. If you're thinking, oh, it's a Sony phone, it's going to be that same classic, boring brick, think again. This thing is so radically different, you've never seen anything like it. From the front, it's your gorgeous, modern flagship. Just a massive, stunning, completely immersive display. Nothing but pure screen. But the real story is on the back. Sony has literally split the back panel into two distinct worlds. One half looks like a sleek, premium smartphone. The other half, a full-blown 500-megapixel DSLR camera module. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't a gimmick. We are talking about the kind of massive, heavy-duty lens you normally see strapped to a professional photographer's rig. Just picture holding this in public. People are gonna ask, yo, is that a camera or a phone? And you're just gonna smile and say, both, baby. Both. Now, fair warning, it's gonna have some serious heft to it. But it's that premium weight that screams quality. No cheap aluminum or plastic here. The entire chassis is rumored to be forged from magnesium alloy, the exact same metal used in high-end professional DSLR bodies. It keeps the phone structurally light but so incredibly rugged that if you drop it, it won't break the phone, it'll probably dent the floor. Sony usually gives us IP68 water resistance, but rumors suggest this beast might score an IP69K rating. Meaning, dust, high-pressure water jets, or a literal flash flood. Not a problem. The DSLR killer camera setup. Now let's talk about the literal soul of this phone, that 500-megapixel DSLR camera. Let's get a little technical for a second, but I'll keep it simple. You've seen 108-megapixel phones. You've seen 200-megapixel phones. But a 500-megapixel DSLR sensor? The pixel density is so insane you could probably zoom into a photo and count the hairs on an ant's mustache. Because of that pixel count, the sensor size has to be absolutely massive. We are anticipating something way north of 1 inch, possibly a 4/3 inch sensor. That is nearly 10 times larger than your standard smartphone sensor. Quick tech lesson. Bigger sensor equal more light gathering power. Period. This means you can shoot in pitch black darkness and get photos that look like broad daylight. Digital noise, non-existent. And the zoom, forget about 100x digital zoom, that's ancient history. The rumors here are whispering about an unbelievable 200x digital zoom. Imagine snapping a photo of a mountain range, zooming in, and clearly seeing the texture of a bird's feathers miles away. It's wild. To back that up, it'll feature dual aperture support. Want that buttery, creamy background blur for portraits? Open up that iris. And video, hold on to your seats. 16K video recording. Yeah, 8K just got relegated to the kids' table. With this phone, you can literally shoot cinematic short films in native 16K resolution. Add in 4K slow-mo at 240 FPS and HD at a whopping 960 FPS, and you have a Hollywood studio in your pocket. On the software side, Sony is bringing the absolute ultimate versions of their signature Cinema Pro in. Photography Pro apps. We're talking real-time eye tracking for humans and animals, and advanced AI scene detection. It gives you absolute professional manual control, but turns into an absolute cheat code in auto mode. The display. So, what kind of screen do you need to actually view 16K videos and 500-megapixel photos? Answer. A display that defies logic. We are looking at a 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display. Why 4K? Because if you're capturing the world in ultra-high res, you need the pixels to actually see it. This panel will push over 1 billion colors. Reds will look deep and rich, blues will look electric, everything is true to life. Throw in a 144Hz refresh rate, and scrolling, gaming, and UI navigation will feel smooth as butter. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, you could look at this screen under the blazing desert sun without squinting. Protection-wise, It's locked down with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Performance. To process 500 megapixel stills, render 16K video streams, and drive a 4K 144Hz display, you don't just need a fast chip. You need a supercomputer. Powering this beast will be the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chipset is specifically optimized for heavy AI processing and massive camera throughput. It's ridiculously fast, yet incredibly power efficient. To make sure there are zero bottlenecks, it's rumored to pack 16GB to 24GB of next-general LPDDR6 RAM, paired with 256GB up to a massive 1TB of UFS 4.1 or UFS 5.0 storage. We're talking data read-write speeds so fast you can transfer massive 4K files in the blink of an eye. And to keep it from melting during hours of 16K video editing or intense gaming sessions of Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile at max graphics, Sony is implementing a massive, upgraded vapor chamber cooling system. High performance, zero thermal throttling. Battery life. To feed all this power-hungry hardware, you need a serious power plant. How about a 9500 mAh monster battery? That is a massive capacity. With normal, everyday use, this is an easy, comfortable 2-day phone. And when it runs dry, Sony's got you covered with 120-watt ultra-fast wired charging that can juice this giant battery from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. Plus, you get 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to top up your earbuds or save a friend's dead iPhone. The extras. One thing we love about Sony is their software philosophy. No bloatware, no annoying duplicate apps, no unwanted pop-ups. The Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate is expected to ship with a completely clean, stock Android 17 experience. You only get what you actually want to install. Of course, you'll get Sony's specialized pro-grade suite, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and Music Pro. Sony is also promising 3 years of major Android OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Add in premium front-firing stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, 5G, and Wi-Fi 7, and you have the ultimate connectivity suite. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, how much is this going to cost? Let's be real for a second, this is a concept flagship. But if and when this actually hits the shelves, it is not going to be cheap. Given the magnesium alloy build, the actual DSLR sensor, the 4K display, and the massive battery, tech analysts estimate the price tag could land somewhere between $2,200 to $2,500. Yeah, that sounds insane for a phone. But remember, this isn't just a smartphone. This is a top-tier smartphone plus a professional-grade mirrorless DSLR camera combined into one pocketable device. If you went out and bought a standalone professional camera body and lens setup, you'd easily spend way more than that. When can you buy it? Right now, it's in the concept and prototyping phase. However, industry insiders suggest Sony's engineering teams are actively developing this tech. We might see an official prototype or a limited release by the end of 2026 or early 2027. So, over to you guys. Would you drop $2,500 on a smartphone like this? And if you got your hands on one today, what's the very first thing you're shooting? A cinematic landscape, a dynamic street photo, or just an insanely detailed selfie? Honestly, if this phone actually drops, traditional camera companies might want to start sweating. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.